Hey everybody, it's Chef Marty. It's time for another episode of Marty Makes. So, what are we making this week? Well, I was racking my brain all week trying to think, what can I teach that is just going to be one of those things that you will use throughout your life. It's an important life skill that I wish my mother had taught me when I was younger. Sadly, I had to wait till I was in my mid-40s to learn this, but I'm here to help you guys out. So today we're going to learn how to candy nuts. It's awesome. There's a lot of different ways to do it. There's a lot of really complicated and laborious and scientific ways of doing it. Mine is none of those things. This is the easiest way to candy nuts. All you need. You do not need a candy thermometer. You do not need to know soft ball stage of making sugar, candy, things like that. All you need is a silicone baking mat. I'm not endorsing Silpat, but they are the original brand. But you need a silicone baking mat. Otherwise, you will have nuts stuck to. You have a lovely new piece of art to hang on your wall when your nuts stick to the sheet pan. So, silicone baking sheet, must have. Other than that, it's really simple. So, I'm going to dive right in. There's going to be a little bit of mixing in the middle of this, then I'm going to talk a little bit about some other options of what you can do with this technique. But so we're just going to jump right in and start out. So, basic recipe, 2 cups of nuts. These happen to be pecans. We use candied spiced pecans on our kale and apple salad here at the restaurant. So we're always making these. We're always snacking on them because they're delicious. So you take the 2 cups of nuts and you submerge them in cold water. I know that sounds weird, doesn't it? Now we've got soggy nuts. Well, submerge it in cold water. You just want every square inch of the surface of those nuts wet. Once that happens, strainer, dump it out. Shake off the excess water. Leave that there for a second. In this bowl, I have half a cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm going to whisk that together. So that's the flavor profile that I've chosen for these. There's a lot of, I'm going to talk about that in a second. Before these nuts dry out, powdered sugar with the flavors added, wet nuts, in it goes. Stir. And you just keep stirring until you don't see white anymore, which means all of the sugar has been absorbed by the water. If you see white and you throw them in the oven, when there's still white on them, you will see white when they come out of the oven. There we go. See how it's slowly not being white anymore. So, let's talk about flavor variations here. I've chosen cayenne pepper and salt. I like a little bit of heat, as we've talked about before. So this gives it just a little tiny bit of a kick. And then it's got the sweet and a little bit of salt. Some other flavor profiles. Number one, it doesn't have to be pecans. It could be walnuts, it could be peanuts, it could be pistachios, macadamias, it could even be sunflower seeds. This technique will work with any nut. And then, it doesn't have to be cayenne pepper. I was sitting here thinking, what other routes could I take with this? And thought, you know what would be really good is a little bit of curry powder in there with the sugar and the salt, or cinnamon if you wanted something more of a dessert style nut. So you can even throw cumin or chili powder in there, or whatever strikes your fancy. You can get some really exotic flavor combinations going. So let's take a look there. I see how almost all of the powdered sugar has been absorbed by the water. There's no more visible powdered sugar. So that's how we know we are ready to get these into the oven. Okay. This is where we will dump them onto our baking sheet. And a real important step, kind of time consuming, is you don't want to, obviously you're not going to bake them in a pile like that. We are going to separate them out one by one so none of them are touching each other, because we want them to bake and be completely apart. You don't, if you let this cook like this, or if you have them all kind of glom together, they will come out glom together, and that's a problem. So I'm not going to make you sit and watch me do that. What we're going to do once that gets baked, once this gets separated, we bake it in a 350-degree oven. Start out at 6 minutes. Now we have a convection oven here. It tends to cook things a little bit faster. I'll turn the fan down to low. It doesn't let me turn it off, but I'll turn it to low and go 6 minutes at 350. We're looking for them to stop looking wet and start looking shiny. So the sugar has essentially caramelized and become hard on the outside of the nut. It's basically the water is evaporating off and then the sugar is cooking onto the nut. 6 minutes first, and then I'll go another minute or 2 minutes depending on the look and the feel. Important warning here. One of the things I always tell my cooks, what are the 2 things that get burned most frequently in restaurant kitchens, and maybe home kitchens too? Number 1 is bacon. You just always burn it. Number 2, nuts. So what that tells you is you need to be extra careful when you're cooking those things. These will go south in a flash if you don't keep a close eye on it. So once you get past that 6 minute mark and you go a minute or 2 minutes, don't leave the oven. Don't walk away. Don't answer the phone. Don't get distracted. Stay there until they should be aromatic, they should be shiny, and they should not look wet anymore. So, and then look here. I have a finished product to show you. Now these were done a couple of days ago. You see how when they hit the plate, the sound they make? Those are nicely toasted, candied, spiced pecans. Nice shiny surface, no white spots from the sugar, and they are delicious. So, now you know. Now you know the secret. You don't need to make candy to make nuts. You just need a silicone baking sheet. What else can I tell you? Go forth and candy nuts. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.